today. I was a young engineer, hungry to improve himself. I wanted to learn all the latest buzz in tech. And it was around that time when I heard about Python and that there's an upcoming conference about it. It was my first exposure to a tech conference, and I only wanted to absorb all the tech knowledge I can, which I did. But I also got more than that. During that time, I was blown away by the atmosphere. It was a place bustling with people passionate about their craft and the desire to share about their love for tech. I also got to meet a lot of great people and made some really good friends. Lifelong ones too. And it was awesome. And that was back in 2012. Fast forward today, I and the rest of the organizers, our partners and sponsors are bringing you the experience that we once shared. We've really poured everything we've got in the hopes that over the next couple of days, you'll learn a lot, make new friends, and have a great time. Thank you.